Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just want to let all our members know about our next prize giveaway, which is for the months of November and December. So for anyone that puts in a good scope scan data load or uploads a good repair solution, goes into the draw. And we've got a great prize for this particular draw. It's a flushing kit here for DPF. So it's courtesy of GCG Turbos. This is a product they sell, which is a JLM oil or lubricant product. It's a DPF cleaner, and a couple of the technical team have had great rewards with this particular system, working really well. Not only does it come with the dispenser tool, so you can use it ongoing was the actual treatment itself, but also this manometer. So it's electronic manometer or pressure gauge basically. So this can substitute, not a substitute, but confirm whether you've got a pressure problem with the pressure valve in the DPF system, so the pressure differential sensor. This will actually do it too. So you can connect the two hoses to it, connect it across the two hoses of the pressure sensor, and check exactly what's happening. So a good little team sort of thing. So this actually brings a digital reading up of pressure difference between the two sides of the meter. So a great little device. You're looking at over $1,000 worth of gear for this sort of stuff. So as I say, any member that uploads any good scope scan data or uploads a good repair solution over the months of November and December will go into the draw, which we'll do in early January. So get those entries in. Great prize. Thanks again to GCG Turbos for the prize. And again, get your entries in, and hope that the lead up to Christmas is nice and busy. See you next time.